course, trading on its own hasn't really changed the market. You know, I mean, I think what has happened with brokers like us is we've brought new platforms, and of course, it's been done at low cost. So the new platforms have been able to actually get in a lot more younger millennial kind of people to the markets. Like for example, like almost 65% of all people who open accounts with us are first timers, and most of them are under 30 years of age. Right? So the platforms that we offer, you know, which are more new age and etc., combined with low cost, is actually introducing capital markets to a newer audience today. And also, I think for active traders, active people who actually trade markets for a living, low cost has helped them improve the odds of making money in the markets. Right? So yeah, on the one side you have newer people who are coming for better platforms, and on one side you have people who trade for a living actually having better chance of making money by using platforms which are low cost. Okay, so that like I was telling before, you know, so we are discount on the pricing side, but we aren't discount anywhere in terms of quality of the product, right? So everything a person needs to discover stocks, right, be it charts, be it fundamental analysis, be it options, be it open interest analysis, or even just be education itself, right? So in all these counts, I think we offer a lot more than traditional firms, right? So what we don't offer is a human who's actually advising you what to do in, right? We don't offer a relationship manager. We don't offer someone who's advising you or giving you stock tips, etc. And that's more a fundamental thing that we've said that we don't want to be advising, because broker advising is probably not even the right thing. I think very soon SEBI is going to come out with regulations. I mean, what they've been hinting, saying you can either advise or you can distribute. You can't do both together. The challenge in India is the very shallow audience itself. You know, so like I was saying, you know, there's 6 million Indians who have invested once a year. Now a deep discount, you know, we're not even discount, right? We're zero brokerage on equity investing. We make only 20 rupees a trade in today's world, you know, on futures and options. So it's not even discount, it's deep discount. For this kind of model to make sense, you need to have enough participation in the market. So today, I think India doesn't have that much participation to support multiple discount brokers. But maybe in the next 4 or 5 years, you know, as millennials grow, they make more money, and probably the opportunity will arise for, you know, more discount brokers to be able to sustain, right? But today, to be very honest, I don't think the market is big enough for more than 2 discount brokers to actually sustain and thrive, you know. And it's very important for any business model that at least 1 or 2 players are able to sustain. Otherwise, the business model itself collapses, and no one else will ever do discount broking again, you know. So right now we are also the largest direct mutual fund platform in the country, right? So we have over 2,500 crores of AUM in mutual funds. So we already do equities. Insurance is something that we want to do, which is term insurance products. We are about to launch a bonds platform where we want to sell fixed income instruments to retail, which no one else has done. And so yeah, so we'll cover all products. I mean, I can't think. Maybe PMS, etc., is something that at least for now we are not really envisaging. You know, so maybe in the future. You know. So.